The final location site of your forced air or cold wall milk cooler must provide a sufficient quantity of cool, clean air. All refrigeration systems operate more efficiently and trouble-free with cool, dry air circulation. Avoid locations near heat and moisture generating equipment such as ovens, fryers, dishwashers, and steam kettles. Do not install in direct sunlight where temperatures may exceed 100 degrees Fahrenheit or in an unheated area where temperatures may drop below 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Air supply to the condensing unit is critical. Restricting airflow places excessive heat load on the unit, adversely affecting its operation and may cause premature failure. For maximum efficiency, your new cabinet must be located where an unrestricted air supply can be circulated to the condensing unit. For optimum performance, a minimum clearance of 3 inches on each side and rear of the cabinet should be provided. Your model has been designed to operate only with the casters supplied. Never obstruct the area below the grill, in the front or rear of the cabinet in any way, and never place or store anything inside the cabinet machine compartment. Failure to follow these guidelines may void your warranty. Your milk cooler should be located over top of or close to a building floor drain. The floor should provide level positioning, be free of vibration, and strong enough to support the total combined weights of your new model, plus the maximum product load which might be placed into it. When considering a Continental refrigerator unit, please contact the factory or visit our website at www.continentalrefrigerator.com for current product information, as our product specifications are subject to change without notice.